Alright, now we're going to go into the motors. Now, the motors were actually the most expensive thing on my drone. And that individually they weren't. Individually, I think other things might take that place, like batteries or ESCs. But together, all four motors were the most expensive things on my drone. So I do suggest getting good ones if you're gonna do this, because it's worth it. A drone motor is essentially like any other motor. It uses electromagnets, which spin the inside part, causing the entire motor to spin. And on the drone, the purpose is that it spins the propellers around, and I'll explain how that works next. They spin the propellers around, and they get power from everything else. And by spinning the propellers, they're able to lift off the drone. And yeah, essentially that's all you really need to know. Make sure to get brushless though. Thanks for watching us with that.